Hi, this is Rodney Pilbrow speaking. In this video, I'd like to explain a bit about the image files that we send to clients following our unmanned aircraft work. The files that we supply are orthophotos, and these are aerial photos that have been geometrically corrected to remove distortion created by different elevations, lens effects, and camera tilt. They are true to scale, so unlike an uncorrected aerial photo, they can have distances measured from them. Usually we will supply a JPEG file, JPG, and a JGW file along with it. So in the JGW file is the information relating to the pixel size of the image and the location of the real world location of the top left corner of the image. Now, when we talk about the images, we will supply them at different resolutions, and we talk about the GSD or ground sample distance. And this GSD refers to how much of the ground one pixel in the image is going to cover. So the smaller the ground sample distance, then the higher the resolution of the image, but also the higher the file size. So you'll see that for these images here, which I have done of exactly the same area, as the ground sample distance decreases, then the file size gets bigger. So when a pixel is covering 200 mils on the ground, it's a very small file, but where it's only covering 20 mils on the ground, then it's much bigger. So to show you what this looks like, let's just open up this JPEG file. So this is the 20mm, 50, 75, 100, 150, and 200. Now they don't seem to appear much different looking like this, but if we zoom in on the vehicle, so this is as far as it's going to let us zoom in with the 200 resolution. But if we go back a couple to the 20mm resolution, well, actually let's have a look at the 75. So this is 75. When we zoom in now, you can see that we're getting more detail. And if we go to the 20mm, this time when we zoom in, you can see how much more detail is being picked up when the resolution is much better. The trade-off is that you have higher file sizes. When you're dealing with images that we send you, most JPEGs will open in the various photo viewers that are available on your computer. And generally you've got tools to be able to print them. You should be able to print a particular view, and it's just a matter of choosing your printer that you want to send it to. Some programs will enable you to edit the images as well. You can crop to a particular view, but what I find more useful is if I want to get a particular view of a image, is to use the snipping tool, which is available on Windows. So you click on snipping tool and it comes up with this, and you click on new and it's saying now, okay, where do I want to view? So you use your left mouse button to select the area that you want to use, and then you can just save that or print just that particular view. Okay, so as you can see, the higher the resolution, the bigger the file size. So really sharp image, big file size, very blurry image, small file size. So you need to make a decision as to what you're going to be using the image for when you decide which is the most practical ground sample distance. Thank you.